So it's been a while since we've been hearing rumors of the DJI's upcoming mini drone, and it feels like we've been waiting for this drone for an eternity now. Not anymore, as the latest leaks of the drone suggest that it's likely to get launched pretty soon. Besides, the Mini 3 might have a complete redesign too, making it a perfect drone for starters. Want to find out what's coming more with this compact yet robust drone? Then watch till the end, as in this video, we'll be showing you the upcoming features of DJI Mini 3, talk about its design, and also when we might get to see the drone. So without any further ado, let's get into it. A reliable leaker Deals Drone published a video on Twitter that completely shows a DJI drone with the name Mini 3 Pro on its front arm. It also shows what Mini 3 Pro might possibly look like. As we can see, in the video and images that are posted by Deals Drone and Jasper Ellens, 27 Leaks shows us the Mini 3 Pro features a redesigned chassis that still weighs 249 grams. Rumors also say that the Mini 3 Pro will come with an improved battery, and DJI managed to keep its weight under 250 grams, which is only a few grams more than the 242 grams Mini 2. If you watch the leaked video of the Mini 3 Pro carefully, you might notice there's a redesigned 3-axis gimbal to keep your footage smooth and stable. As you can see, the gimbal is placed off to the one side, which means you might be able to shoot vertical videos to post them on social media. Rumors also indicate that the Mini 3 Pro might focus more on electronic-based stabilization, which might not be great news for DJI lovers, whether you're a beginner or a professional. Let's talk about the camera part. We're expecting to see the DJI Mini 3 Pro as a successor of the Mini 2 with improved performance. However, the Mini 3 Pro might come with an improved camera system as well as a high megapixel sensor. According to Deals Drone, this upcoming DJI drone might feature a 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor with a maximum aperture of f1.7. This can allow the drone to provide brighter images and better low-light performance compared to the aperture of f2.8 that comes in the Mini 2. Another thing we're expecting from the Mini 3 Pro is the frame rate capability. The Mini 2 can shoot 4K videos but at 30 FPS, which might not be enough for some users. This is why we're hoping to see 4K at 60 FPS option in the upcoming DJI Mini 3 Pro. The biggest improvement is likely to be a new obstacle avoidance sensor system, and the leaked video shows that the drone will come with large front and ground sensors, which can help the drone to avoid obstacles to prevent it from crashing into unwanted things. Coming to the battery section, the DJI Mini 3 Pro might have an upgraded battery capacity compared to the Mini 2. Moreover, the leak indicates that the drone has an upgraded 2453 mAh battery, whereas the Mini 2 has a 2250 mAh battery and 31 minutes of flight time. So we can say there will be a slight improvement in the Mini 3 Pro flight time, which is not bad even if it delivers 2 minutes more than the Mini 2. All of these feature upgrades and design improvements DJI is willing to give, but for how much? Unfortunately, we don't have enough information about the price range, but we're expecting this drone might hit the market at an affordable price just like the Mini 2, which costs $449. But when we might see this drone getting announced? Based on leaks and rumors, the Mini 3 Pro has been activated on the 4th of March, and we're expecting this drone might launch around April or May of 2022. Overall, the DJI Mini 3 Pro hype train is finally increasing, with new leaked photos and videos that are showing up online. Those leaks suggest that the highly awaited drone might come with a lightweight, upgraded body design, improved camera system, sensors, and battery life. So with all these upgrades, the Mini 3 Pro is turning out to be a mighty drone in a compact form factor for both beginners and professionals. What do you think about this upcoming drone? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know in the comment section below, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.